G'day guys, welcome to a brand new episode of Tazos Explore here. I'm just doing a bit of maintenance on the truck and just getting stuff packed for when I go away camping. I bought some of these tent stuff, you know, when you screw things for your tents, like ropes and that. They're not very cheap. One of them cost me $20 through TJM. But got a few of that, a few of these and that. But I just thought I'd just do a bit of maintenance on the silver truck. I've done a bit of one on my white one, but I still got to get the cylinder done. But I thought I'd do this sort of video, guys. I hope everyone's doing well. I wasn't going to make that last video last night, but after I had a keyboard warrior saying I don't, you know, doing it the wrong way about doing recording and stuff, but people don't like the way I am, you know, don't watch my channels. Simple as that. I try to, you know, like I try to be like it, not like everyone else. But I had a few things on my mind. I just got off just saying what I had to say. I tell you one thing, guys. These tent things. I've had heaps of these things here. They're only tiny. Size of that. Bloody unreal. Oh yeah, sizes. It's like drilling, you know, middle of the earth. Bloody hell, the size of them. What size of bolts are them? Gee, she's a big one. And I can't believe I paid $20 just for one. I hope I got a socket for that. I didn't realize how big that are. Far out. What is this like 14s, are they? No, 15s. Holy hell, 15 socket I need. Shit. She's a bit biggin'. And the other size is a 13s. Holy shit. So big. What's that for storms, are they? I look like I have to buy sockets for it. Tell you one thing, it's amazing what stuff he carry in your truck. It's incredible. I find these are good. You know, you tie it in your bag, and then what's left over, you put it on your hinge. Not bad. Alright, portable chair, little chair I've got. Tools, got four of them. Okay, make sure I've got them. Tell you one thing, it's amazing how much dust it gets inside your bloody truck. Fucking hell. You know, guys who's interested in my YouTube, you know, I appreciate it, guys. Now, it's only not long to be Christmas, end of the year again. The year's going so quick. Next year, I've got heaps of things lined up for channels and that. I want to go way up. I want to go to Hobart, do a lot around Hobart area, Lonnie, and all that. I want to do a couple of places in Cradle Mountains, go up there a bit, go further. Do some heaps. I was going to go away tonight camping, but I thought I'll do a bit of work on my truck instead, because I was going to take this. I thought I'll do a bit of work on the silver truck, get everything organised and make sure what I've got, because I haven't used it for a while. Just amazing how much shit you get in your truck. And I was thinking about doing a video New Year's Eve as well. But what's this? Oh, okay, that's what that is. Never used it yet. Can't wait to go out and get camping and start using some of my gear. Do a lot of camping, guys, because it's starting to get warm a bit now. And I found a couple of places I want to do camping. Set up my truck and do a walk around and that. I was going to go camping tonight, but I thought I'll do this instead. That's a bit too high. Right. Close. Oh, okay. I wasn't going to make a video today. I thought I'd just do a bit. So I know it's all over the place, guys. So why don't you? That's a bit. Okay, why don't you go down there? What's that? I should start doing a bit on my other truck too, making some drawers and stuff. But I'll do that after Christmas as well. I appreciate guys who must stuck by me. Sure I've got everything, and I keep pulling everything out of it and stuff like that. Try and get everything organised to go camping and that. I was going to go camping today, but I thought I'd do just a bit of on the trucks, stuff like that. You know, if you are interested in stubby holders and that, guys, just let me know on my Facebook. They're about $10. Everything helps my channel on that. But I've got a lot of videos in the works, what I want to do, trips and that. I've got a lot of trips planned. Hobart, I want to go around Hobart area, a few places I haven't been. Stuff like that. Around Lonnie. I'm going to go up to Crowder Mountains. Spend a couple of days up there, have a look around, just cruising around different places. Especially with this, take this truck. I've got to put my part in. I might do a couple more videos before Christmas. So that's not that far to go. Can't, you know, only around the corner, Christmas. I think I might do 3 more videos. I was going to go camping today, but I thought I'd give it a miss. Catch up what I've got to do around this area, around here. So I mean, I like the jumpers and the hoodies and stuff. It's pretty good. But I want to do more designs on them. And I'll do some more maintenance on this truck. I'll change a little bit more onto it. So start using this truck more. I haven't driven it for a while. I ain't here and there, but not just been using the white one a fair bit. But still got to get the clutch done on it. Put it, the It's not nothing on the clutch, it's just the pedal. And I've got to fix my chainsaw up, get a new chain for my chainsaw as well. Don't want to put that on in here. That's the thing about, you know, having all the stuff, you know, yeah, you take so much. I've got a big axe in the truck. But I should carry my get my chainsaw. I found a guy who, or a place to get the patches made with me, and I can get the patches made, and then I know a place to do all my Velcro and that. Get that done. They will cut them out, like cut circles and that, and sew them on for me. I'll have to get some more. I only just had 10 made, but I'll get more made now. Yes, small things and all that. And I've got to definitely got to get down the track, get a new windscreen for my white one. That's up for Christmas. Get a new windscreen for that. Get that done. That's most of it that I need to do. What else do I need to do? Well, one thing, the sun's out there nice. And I'm stuck in the shed. So this little buddy oven handy have. Pretty handy to have. I love it. Hmm. Ooh. Been there for a while. Oh shit. I'm gonna get that out. Bit frozen in there. I'm gonna need to fold that out. Holy shit, I'm gonna get that out. Still get that out. Still get that out. Tell you one thing, these are good. I've seen the ones with the push a button and they go down electric, and I think that's a lazy idea. You know, all this stuff for you press a button and the fridge slowly drops down. I think that's just a lazy idea. They're alright, but all the stuff you can buy. So that's the only thing about it, that many stuff coming out on markets. For what, really? It's always, you've got to, when you see something nice, oh, I'll buy that. But you don't need it. You don't need it. Yeah, everything I've done in here, I built myself, built the drawers, built all this, especially to suit what I want it for. Which you can buy drawers, and they're half the size, and for me, I thought I'd do something different. But I had this for a few years now. Could be 4, 5, no, it might be 5 years, 6 years since I built it. But it does the job, what I want it for. I was going to take it out and buy another one. I'll build another one lighter. But I like a bit of weight in the back of the canopy. The handle's a lot better. And I've got airbags as well on the truck. I've got a 95 litre water tank underneath the truck, and that's never full all the time. It's only, I might fill it up a bit. Water pump, tap on the side. Not a bad truck, really. Had it for a few years now. Try to look after the girl. And I made a drop board goes inside here. It's a channel along the channel on the bottom and two channels on the sides. I've got a board that goes in between it. And if I go through, most times if I do have it all the time, especially like if you go through water and stuff like that, you don't get water in it. It's like a gate, you know. It's a barrier for stop getting the water through my back of my canopy. I always carry. I do carry it with me. I think I've got it there. Yeah. So I can get it. If I can get it out. Oh, actually, I'm looking for it. Okay, let's have a right bit of string. How the heck can I get that out? Oh, there's one of them. I haven't pulled it out for a while. Just trying to work out how to get it out. Oh, there he is there. How the heck can I pull that out? He's pretty stuck in there. Just trying to think how I'm going to pull that out. Oh, I do have a, what's that little bar with a hook in it? Yeah, it's a, and that's part of it, that's the part of it goes on top, locks it in. I should get it out. Oh, the other one's there. That's what it is. So it's a bit of dust in the back. She can be alright. I'll leave it there. That's the thing about having this little shit. Don't work out what you're gonna do. I thought I'd do something videos today. There's not much into it. It's just, something different again. But I've got to work out what to do tomorrow. See what video I'll do tomorrow. But I don't know if I might just do other stuff tomorrow. The thing is, run around Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, because it took me 2 hours to get up where I got my gear and that. And I'm so buggered. Sometimes you don't feel like doing anything. That's the problem. You just think, I'll do it one day, I'll do it later, yeah, guys, not much as a video today. I thought I'd do something, but give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and all that, and I appreciate it, guys. Fair enough, the video's a bit shitty. It might be shitty today, but next video should be better. Just some planning and stuff like that, that's the problem. But I thought I'd do this. Beautiful day. Okay, Doc, guys. Take care, and I'll see you in the next episode. Okay. See you guys.